Aha!
How's your ears do?
20 feet.
Couldn't go no further?
We'll work on it, but 20 feet's no problem.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another week on the Sirens Log, and we are here at Vortex Springs. We decided to do a real quick dive and then take a break.
Yeah, I burned 800 psi. She burned 5.
Yeah.
That's why I like girl dive partners. They don't breathe any air. If I screw up, they got plenty.
I have plenty of air left over. So, if you saw our last week's video, you'll know I gave you guys a quick rundown about my perforated eardrums, and I got it clear and I can dive again. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to figure out if I can still equalize in the whole thing, because equalizing, I've always had trouble equalizing, but I haven't dove in like 20 years. So, yeah, I could always equalize. It would just take me a little bit longer, and I would always get around 20 feet. And I would just have to spend like 10 or 15 minutes at 20 feet. It's pathetic, I know, but that's my ears. And then I had a surfing accident, and you can watch the last video if you want to know a little bit more about that. I think the max I got was like 22 feet. And I was like, I need to go back up 2 feet. So, oh, we got some, we had a little rain shower, and now we have some thunder in the background.
No idea it was raining when you're underwater.
No, I came up and I was like, where did Hal go? Hal's like 80 foot deep in a hole on the other side of the spring.
I left my buddy.
Oh, well.
Horrible dive partner.
We're horrible divers. My ears are still equalizing, even right now. Like, crack. I have a feeling this is the kind of place where there's going to be some, like, Karen with a whistle that, like, freaks out as soon as the first bolt of lightning comes down.
No, this is Ponce de Leon, Florida. There's a bunch of rednecks up here. They don't give a crap. They whooping youngins over at the swing.
I bet there's a Karen out here somewhere.
I saw them whooping a youngin.
I almost kissed one of those fish, I think. Anyway, hurry. Get back in the water. Toledo, we got back above water and it was raining, and it's like a thunder and lightning storm everywhere. All right, that dive didn't go so good. I don't know if it's because there was water in my ears or if it's because the water literally got colder while we were there. I could not equalize. I could equalize about 7 or 8 feet, And then past that, I just couldn't.
You want to go try to find somewhere to eat and come back?
Sure.
All right, we got plenty of air.
Yeah. Waiting on a phone call because we're supposed to go pick up some scuba tanks out of town. I think today was overall a success.
I do too.
I hit 20 feet.
And could have went deeper.
Well, I went 22 feet. That was deeper.
Well, I'm saying if you could have went down to where you had to clear next, if you cleared there, then you're good to go to the bottom.
Yeah, 22 feet, and I couldn't clear there. That's why I didn't go any further. But yeah, I was okay sitting at 20 feet. So that's, to me, that's a huge plus because that's where I was before the injury to my ears. And I could get past it, like I said, but it took some time. So today I did 20 feet. The second dive didn't go that well. That's okay. I still made friends with a fish. We did not speak, but I think there was something happening there.
We had a moment.
Yeah, we had a moment. Well, it's like he was just sitting there watching you like, damn girl, like, what are you doing?
That's exactly what
he just was staring at me. Even if I can only go like 20 feet deep or even 10, even 15, I want to get a, what did I call it this morning when I couldn't think of the word? An electromagnetic meter or something. And I was like, what do they call these electromagnetic meters? Metal detectors. I don't even know what an electromagnetic, whatever. I think that if I got a cool underwater metal detector, like the little short ones, and just like metal detected for things, I can have a lot of fun with that, like all over the place. So I'm certainly not discouraged in any way. Diving is something I had already written off. So anything that I can do now is like a huge plus.
I don't want to give up. Maybe give your ears a rest and try again. Maybe we might have to.
Thank you for being with us for another week on the Sirens Log and doing this ear thing with me. I know it's frustrating for me. Anyway, I've got to get out of this wetsuit. Don't laugh at me because I'm still. This is where we are in our old age. Bye, guys.